Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sorry for this intro, but I just finished filming this video and I realized that I didn't do the intro, so the lighting is a little bit off right now. I'm sorry for that, but I'm going to show you real quick what I'm going to use in today's video. So I really wanted to try this polygel because I see this every single day on Facebook, and in that video it looks super easy to do and to achieve gorgeous long nails at home. I got this as a kit and it was €8.70. Then I bought the LED lamp and this was only €2.88, which is insanely cheap. And then I got this Bonder primer. Oh, please focus. Okay. This was €3.50. Also, I got this poly liquid. This is to clean the gel. So everything you see right here, it was below €20 and I got them on Amazon. So if you can achieve gorgeous long nails at home, this will be a win. So yeah, if you want to see if this worked for me, then keep on watching. As you can see, my nails are yellow because I used Tropicana like the whole summer. That's what I had on my nails. And all the nail polishes from the Keel Polish Havana Hits stains my nails, but that's not a problem for me, so that's why my nails are yellow. I watched a few tutorials on how to use this polish gel and I still have no idea how to use it. I mean, in those Facebook videos it looks pretty easy, pretty simple. You just apply this on those tips and you apply it on your nail and then you cure it. But yeah, I guess I'm going to figure out in this video if it's that simple and easy to apply this polygel. And as I said, I watched a few tutorials and some people did prep the nail, like they used a nail primer, also a base coat to prep the nail before they go with this polygel. And some people, they didn't prep the nail, or at least they didn't show that in the video. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to prep my nails because that's why I got this Bonder primer. So yeah, I'm going to apply the Bonder primer and then I'm going to use this base coat and then I'm going to cure it for, I don't know, 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So first I'm going to start with the primer and I'm going to apply this on my nails. I don't know how much I have to apply, so I'm applying this all over the nail. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry for a second and then I'm going to go with my base coat. This feels a little bit sticky but is dry, so I think I'm going to skip this part, but basically I'm going to apply my base coat, a very thin base coat, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and I'm going to be right back. They are ready. You can see how shiny they are and still orange. So I'm going to do only 2 nails on camera because I don't want this video to be too long. And actually I did search for the tips that will match my nails, and actually I can find the tip that will match this nail perfectly because as you can see, the edge right here is very rounded and this doesn't fit me well, so I'm going to use this backwards because it's more rounded on this edge, on this end, sorry, and I really hope this will work. Alright, so actually I don't know how much is too much or how much I have to apply to make like a decent nail, because I don't want this to be very thin because it will break pretty easy. Oh, okay. Okay, so as I said, I don't know how much is too much and I don't know how much I have to use, but from what I saw, oh, this is thick. I think that's enough. I'm going to start with this much, or maybe it's too much. Well, anyway, and I'm going to do this now. So as I said, I'm going to use this backwards and I'm going to work this gel. Oh, it's thick. It's kind of hard to work this and to make it even, so let's hope for the best. I think I'm going to apply a little bit more because that wasn't enough. maybe this much. I hope it's not too much. So as you can see, it's pretty hard to work this gel. I don't do gel nails, so yeah, I think I used too much. I'm going to remove a little bit now. Okay, let's try something else. I'm going to use a little bit of this poly liquid. I'm going to pour some right here, and with the brush I'm going to make this even. I'm going to try to make this even. Let's see if this works. I really hope you can see what I'm doing here, but I'm trying to make this as even as possible. Alright, I think that's enough. Let me apply this on my nail. Oh, that feels thick. Oh yeah, I applied too much. So I'm just cleaning the edges. Okay, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, so this is cured. I'm going to try to remove this tip and hopefully this doesn't break. Wow, that's cute. So smooth, so I don't have any bubbles. It feels a little bit sticky. I'm going to file this down, but as you can see, I was very messy. So as I said, I don't know how to do gel nails. So probably I'm going to apply just a thin layer on this part because it looks pretty thin to me. But wow, I'm impressed. Okay, so this is how the nail looks like. I just filed this a little bit, and also I tried to remove the extra excess from here, and I kind of messed a little bit in there, but as I said, I want to go with a very thin layer like on this part right here because it looks very thin. And what I don't like is that underneath this looks very thick. I mean, this is very thick, and I don't know how to make this thinner because I don't know how to do that thinner. But overall, this looks so pretty. I'm going to do the pinky one, and I'm going to use less product this time. I'm going to use this side. Okay, so this is cured. I'm going to remove the tip. Okay, so as you can see here, I have a little bubble, like a air bubble. Oh no, that's where the bubble came from, like it didn't want to stick, as you can see here. I guess I didn't apply too much gel. And actually, you guys, I think it's not that easy to use this poly gel if you don't, especially if you don't have experience like me. uh yeah, it's not easy. So I think those Facebook videos are clickbait in my opinion. Let me explain you what just happened. So because this nail was way too long, I didn't wanted to spend like half an hour to file this down, and I went and I wanted to cut this to make it shorter, and it literally broke. So this doesn't feel very hard, so I'm guessing this will pop like very easy because it doesn't feel strong, if that makes sense. And actually I don't like how this came out, because as you can see, this is pointing upwards and this is pointing downwards, if that makes sense, like a normal nail should do. And yeah, this feels very fragile. I think I'm going to remove this. So yeah, I made this more like a stiletto style, but I don't like this one, so I'm going to try again, and then I'm going to give up because I'm not really happy. I like how this one turned out, but as I said, it's way too thick. Oh, that's cute, but it's not even, as you can see. I mean, I think I can fix it, but yeah, this one is thick right here. But yeah, it's because I don't know how to do gel polish nails, so my bad. I'm sorry, my bad. I give up, okay? This is not for me. This is not easy to use. This is not beginner friendly. So I try to file them down. I try to make them look cute, but I don't think I'm going to keep going because I don't want them. And also I tried to fix this one, and as you can see, it broke. It's very thin and it was very fragile. So yeah, this was a completely fail. I guess you have to have a little bit of knowledge on how to use gel polish because, as I said, this is not beginner friendly. So if you have no idea what you're doing, this is not for you. Also, to work with these tips, it was a struggle because they don't fit my nails like perfectly. I had to use them backwards because I do have rounded edges, as you can see, and they are pretty flat right here. So yeah, I guess using this type of tips will be a little bit easier. Again, I have no idea how to use them, but I guess it's a little bit easier because I don't know why I think it's easier. But as I said, this doesn't fit properly, so maybe next time I'm going to use this type of tip. Honestly, I really thought it will be that easy to achieve long, gorgeous nails at home, but I guess I'm just naive. That's my life. So that's it for this video. I'm going to figure it out how to remove them because, as I said, I don't want to file them down because I'm going to destroy my nails. So pray for me, I guess. Pray for my nails. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this fail video. Let me know down below what do you think about this polygel polish. So yeah, that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. 5 hours later, I did my pinky nail, and actually I really love how this turned out. I used this type of tip, and actually it's easier to work with this one. I feel like you can be more precise, but as I said, this is not beginner friendly. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. It's pretty cute in my opinion, and actually I'm trying to remove this one, these two, because I don't like them, and I'm using this Nailfun remover and it seems like it's working. I do not recommend this. I think I'm done with my nails for today. Oh my god, this is so intense.